Okay, boys and girls, we're into lesson 7 now, level 4. And it says to add HTML to make the page you sketched in your project guide, but I didn't make you do the project guide. So what are we going to do here? Well, here's what I want you to do. I want you to follow what I do. I'm going to go back to lesson 4, bubble 4. And I'm going to copy and paste the simple website that I created there into this code, and then I'm going to stylize it in levels 5 and 6 of this lesson. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Just do what I do. Lesson 4, part 4. Go back there. Grab all your code that is in. Wait, that doesn't look. Oh, did I change it? Oh, I did. I had a nice cycling website, but then I changed it. I forgot for the quiz. Okay, but anyway, grab your code. That would be everything between the opening and closing body tags, right? And make sure you can see this. Okay, everything between the opening and closing body tags that you created. You already created this, right? Copy it, and now come back to lesson 7, part. What part were we in? Lesson 7, part 4. And we're going to paste our code right in there. Right in between, okay, right in between the opening and the closing body text, right in the middle. Paste. Hey, look, I've got a website. Okay, I'm going to delete all this stuff that I inserted for the quiz that I created last week, and I'm just going to, there's my simple website. How can I watch cycling races? Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Maybe you have something maybe like real simple like that too, so it's fine. Okay, but if you want to, you can have a lot more and you have more to play with to stylize. Okay, now when we go to the next level, you're going to see what happens. So here we are, lesson 7, level 5. In the do this, it says add CSS properties to make the styles you described in your project guide. Of course, I didn't make you do the project guide, right? So let's just stylize this, okay? Let's stylize it using the stuff that we know how to do, okay? Let's go to our CSS page and let's create some rule sets. Well, first of all, let's notice that my title is H3. So I'm going to have to create an H3 rule set, right? Let's start with font family. Let's make it, try that one. I like that one. Symmetrical. Let's make it a little bigger. That's nice. Let's change the color. What do you think? Royal blue? Nice. Let's change the letter spacing. What do we want to do? Letter spacing. 2 pixels? No. 1 pixel? Okay, that looks nice. Don't forget your semicolon. Do we like where it's justified? So do we want to change the text alignment? Let's try center. That looks nice. Okay, I'm going to close my rules right now. That's enough. And let's stylize the paragraph. What do I want it to be? First of all, let's make it, what should we do? Maybe a slightly darker color or slightly lighter color? Maybe a slightly lighter color, huh? Well, let's try the font family first. Do we want the same font family? Let's see how that looks. I want to pick sans serif. Okay, that looks nice. That looks nice. Semicolon, font size. Let's do that. What do you think? 16 px. It's about the same. Let's go a little bit bigger. 18. That looks nice. Okay. Let's see. Color. Let's see, maybe a midnight blue. How about that? No, it's yeah, midnight blue. How about that? No, it's pretty nice. I like that. I kind of like that. Okay. Do we want the letter spacing to be a little different? Maybe a 1px kind of thing. That's nice. Look at that. Okay, and let's also do, now you don't have to literally change the same exact things about your headings and your paragraphs as I'm doing. I'm literally changing all the same things, right? But you don't have to do that. You just do it whatever way you want. Play around with it. Have fun with it. I'm going to close my rule set. Now, look at my website. How cool is that? I like the way that looks now. Now, have fun. Play around with your colors, play around with your styles. Don't forget everything you learned, right? That's why we're here to practice. And I'll see you at the next level. All right, boys and girls.